Hello Lakshans, hope you all are well. Welcome you in this video series presented by your SST teacher Kunal Devgan. So this course is about the summary of standard 12th history NCERT textbook. The name of the book is Themes in Indian History Part 1. My objective behind this is I want you to understand history in a holistic manner. As you all know, schools are closed due to the worldwide spread of coronavirus pandemic. So it is an initiative of Lakshya International School Ganor, who want to provide a quality education to the student without compromising with the situation and the future of the student. In this course, I will cover all the important details presented in the book and help you to understand about the ancient Indian history and how the emergence of civilization started in this subcontinent. My target audience is mainly Lakshya International School students of other schools and any individual having interest in the history. Dear students, I will clear and I will make sure that you after listening or these lectures, you will have the opinion that history is not a monotonous subject, and we will try to make it interesting. Hello, this is me Kunal Devgan, and this is the map which I used in the lecture for the explanation. So dear student, as I told you, the syllabus of the history NCERT textbook of standard 6th and 12th is same, but in 12th standard NCERT textbook you find it more elaborated, where the NCERT divide the Indian history into the three parts: ancient, medieval and modern. In this course, dear student, I will start with part 1 that deals with the ancient Indian history or the themes of ancient Indian history. The medium of language will be bilingual, so it will help both the students of Hindi medium as well English medium to understand. The first theme of this book is named as bricks, beads. The first theme of this book is named as bricks, bead and bones, which centric around the Harappan Valley civilization. We will cover it in a greater detail theme by theme, bachcho. Thank you for listening this course.